So we have Anusha here, Harshita's friend, and she wants to give a quick message to her, Sheeta. Let's see what she's going to wish her.
Yeah, hi. So, hi Harshita, first of all. I think we've started our friendship from our work. Of course, our journey started from Tesco. So, from there, I've known you, and instantly I liked you. And I told you also that I would probably hang out with this girl because I like her a lot. And that's when we started hanging out. I've seen her struggle, trying to have her love with Prashant. It's a long journey, and finally, you have succeeded. And just a huge congratulations for that, and all the very best on your new journey.
ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಆರಂಭವೋ, ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಆನಂದವೋ, ಅನುಬಂಧವೋ, ಈ ಪ್ರೀತಿಗೆ ಸೋತಿನ. I love you, I love you, I love you.
ವರಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಹರ್ಷಿತಾ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನು ವಿಶಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಹರ್ಷಿತಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರಲಿ ಅಂತ ವಿಶಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅವರು ಪ್ರಶಾಂತ್ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು, ಹಾಗೆ ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆನೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಾಗಲಿ. ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಹರ್ಷಿತಾ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಶಾಂತ್.
ಸೂಪರ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಮೇಡಮ್.
Hashtaka is such a doll, and Prashant and Harshita make a really great pair. I wish them the best in all the things.
ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ತೇಜಸ್ವಿನಿ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ಯಾರಿವಳು ಯಾರಿವಳು ಸೂಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಣ್ಣವಳು ರಾಮನಲ್ಲಿ ತೋಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಮ್ಮನೆಂದು ಅರಳಿದಳು